This is a nemef2, a nemef nf2. This is one of the locks that was been on my list of want to try for a while. 6 pins. All the pins are tapered drivers, and then all of the key pins are serrated. But to try to get into it, I'm going to use Lawlock Tools pry bar and 47 thousandths, and then this Jimmy Long's deep reach hook. So this lock likes to start at the back. So 2 clicks out of 6. So there's 1. Click out of 2. 4. 5. So 1, 2. Nope. 4, 5. That's it going into a full set, and I don't know why it keeps doing that. Well, I do know why, because I got too much tension on it, because it's tapered pins. So now I should just have to get one set, but one is an insanely high set pin. But that's the nemef nf2.